Ever found yourself staring at your phone, willing it to charge faster? We've all been there. That agonizing wait while the battery icon slowly creeps towards 100%. Now, imagine that feeling, but multiplied by 1,000, because you're not waiting for a phone, you're waiting for a car. A Tesla, to be precise. So, the big question is, how long does it take to charge a Tesla? That's what we're diving into today. Because let's be honest, range anxiety is a real thing, and understanding charging times is crucial for any EV owner, or anyone considering making the switch. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of charging times, it's important to understand that there isn't one simple answer. It's not like saying it takes exactly 5 hours to charge every Tesla, every time. There are several factors that play a significant role. Think of it like filling a swimming pool. A small paddling pool will fill much faster than an Olympic-sized pool, right? Similarly, a Tesla with a smaller battery pack will generally charge faster than one with a larger pack. So, what are these factors? Let's break them down. First, the battery pack itself. As I just mentioned, the size of the battery directly impacts charging time. Tesla offers various battery sizes across its models, from the Model 3 to the Model S and Model X, and now the Cybertruck. A larger battery simply requires more energy to fill it up. It's like filling a bigger gas tank. Next up, the charging source. This is a big one. You have several options for charging your Tesla, each with different power outputs. Think of it like different water hoses. A garden hose will take much longer to fill that pool than a fire hose. At the most basic level, you have standard household outlets, often referred to as level 1 charging. This uses a standard 120-volt outlet in North America, or 230-volt in most of Europe and other regions. This is the slowest method, adding only a few miles of range per hour. It's okay for topping off or for those who don't drive much daily, but it's not ideal for quickly replenishing a significant amount of charge. Then there's level 2 charging. This uses a higher voltage, typically 240 volt in North America, similar to what your electric dryer or oven uses. You'll need a dedicated charging station installed at your home for this, but it offers a significantly faster charging rate than level 1. This is the most common home charging solution and is usually the sweet spot for daily charging needs. Finally, we have the king of speed, DC fast charging, also known as supercharging for Tesla owners. These are high-power charging stations that can add hundreds of miles of range in a relatively short amount of time. Tesla's supercharger network is a huge advantage for Tesla owners, especially for long road trips. They offer incredibly fast charging speeds, making cross-country travel in an EV a reality. Another factor that influences charging time is the state of charge of the battery. Just like your phone, charging is generally faster when the battery is low. As the battery gets closer to full, the charging rate slows down to protect the battery's health. This is called tapering. It's like slowing down the water flow as your pool gets close to full to avoid overflowing. The battery's temperature also plays a role. Extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, can affect charging efficiency. Tesla's battery management system works to optimize the battery temperature for charging, but extreme weather conditions can still have an impact. Now, let's get down to some actual numbers. This is where it gets a little tricky, because, as we've discussed, it depends on several factors. With level 1 charging, you might get anywhere from 2 to 5 miles of range per hour. This means it could take a very long time to fully charge a Tesla from empty using a standard wall outlet. With level 2 charging, you can expect significantly faster speeds, typically adding between 20 and 40 miles of range per hour. This means you could fully charge a Tesla overnight, which is perfect for most daily driving needs. Now, for the exciting part, supercharging. Tesla's superchargers can deliver incredibly high power, enabling you to add up to 200 miles of range in as little as 30 minutes in ideal conditions. This is a game changer for long-distance travel. It's important to note that these are approximate figures. The actual charging time will vary depending on the specific Tesla model, battery size, charging source, state of charge, and battery temperature. To give you a more concrete example, let's consider a Tesla Model 3 with a long-range battery. Using a level 2 charger, you might expect to add around 30 miles of range per hour. This means a full charge from empty could take around 8 to 10 hours. Using a supercharger, you could add a significant amount of range in a fraction of that time. Tesla also provides information on their website and in their vehicles about estimated charging times. The car's onboard computer will even give you real-time estimates of how long it will take to charge at a given charging station. So, to summarize, there's no single answer to the question of how long it takes to charge a Tesla. It depends on the battery size, the charging source, the state of charge, and the battery temperature. Level 1 charging is the slowest, Level 2 is a great option for home charging, and supercharging is the fastest, ideal for road trips. Understanding these factors is crucial for planning your charging strategy and managing range anxiety. With proper planning, charging your Tesla can be a convenient and seamless part of your daily routine. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.